Alright, you guys, it's here on lunch break. Getting a friggin' $4 beef jerky and cheese stick. What is going on with this world? It's good though. Finally off work for the day. That was a different day. I haven't been up that high, hanging on to some framing in a while. Kind of felt like monkey bars. But since we're off work, we're gonna do the usual: go chill at a McDonald's or something, and wait for the money to come through. Then we're off to get something to eat. And I've got to clean this van because it's dirty. I haven't, since we've been going crazy on Tamara's van, now working, just busy editing and doing a bunch of other things that I haven't even really looked at it and just been throwing things around. So it's time to finally clean this thing up, and I really want to do a little modification back here, so maybe you guys will get to see that today. See how it goes. Well, after battling with traffic, we finally made it to McDonald's. Feels good to be the only one in traffic that doesn't need to commute home though, I gotta say. Because I'm home already. Only thing I gotta run out for is something to eat. Can I get a large coffee, 2 cream, and 3 sugar?
2 cream and 3 sugar?
Yep, that'll be all. Thank you. think it's a good one today. And wash these paws up because I was rotten today. I got all sawdust in my hair and stuff. Yeesh. Thank you. It didn't decline. We're in the clear. Aha. Hit it. Banana. 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 Ooh, she made it good today. But luckily, the transfer came through basically as soon as I got there. Could have been sent before I got there, but I don't know until I reach Wi-Fi when stuff happens. So that is why I sit and wait to confirm my money has been paid. Then I can go get a coffee. Tell you what though, we can keep steady working through this week. I'm taking a trip to the mountains this weekend. Now that I say that, that's it, no more work. But I could definitely use a trip to the mountains. You know, it's been over a year since I even ventured to the mountains, and they're less than an hour away from me. Mainly because the van wasn't fit to go out there, and just fuel prices, y'all know. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gotta explain that. Shit's expensive to go anywhere nowadays. But soon enough, we'll get out there. Anyway, we're back at Deerfoot City. Let's see what we can get done with this thing. We're at least gonna clean it out. It's not that it's garbage, it's just stuff piled everywhere. This is the reason it's so important to have a space for everything in your home, in your van home. Because if not, it all goes on the floor. Now time to build a new one. Well, I got this thing kind of makeshift together. So this will be like the closet. And then the battery box right here. And then the Renergy controller. And then this will be the intake spot for the diesel heater. So that I can breathe nice. I'm thinking about putting a little grate or some kind of mesh on there. Just to stop things from falling in. But also be able to take it off so I can clean off the screen on the intake of the diesel heater. So we're gonna go try it out and see if it fits. Alrighty, you guys. Another long day of van building, but it has definitely paid off. So Tamara's made a couple changes to her van, so I've had to go back and just kind of rebuild and rework a couple things. And then we got donated a nice bit of, like 4 sheets of plywood and a couple pieces of 2x3s from a friend. So that's really helped with doing the van builds. And when you live as a van lifer and you're doing home renovations, as I'll call them, well, let's just say you end up sleeping with whatever you don't finish. So, let me show you what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. So this is where I'll be sleeping. And this is the stuff that I've got to deal with. But that's all I'm going to show you guys until tomorrow, when I give the final reveal of the van build. Right now, Tamara's going to run me off for a shower because I definitely need one. So I'll see you guys in the morning. And on that note, I'm going to end the video off there. It has been a long few weeks building the both of these vans out. Multiple hours and a lot of heart and soul went into building each one. And we are extremely excited to show you guys all the final reveal. But until next time, remember, never give up on living life, because life is the most precious thing we have.